welcome to NPS Hosur.
It's a pleasure to be here.
It's a great honor for me to be here in front of you. You have achieved so much and you are an acclaimed author of over 30 books. So the opportunity to speak with you about your dedication and determination in becoming a well-known writer across nation, I feel like very privileged.
Thank you, Judith.
So I'm very interested to hear about your experiences.
So I've always been interested in writing, and I wanted that whatever I do, my career involves writing in some way or the other. So actually I started when I was even younger than you, writing little articles for my school magazine. I then became part of the editorial board, I became the editor, and once my teachers knew that I was interested in it, they kind of took a special interest in encouraging me, and I started writing more. I started writing for children, and I just got so pulled into it. I enjoyed it so much. I felt that what I was doing was really impactful. So now I only write for children.
What inspired you to become an author?
It just happened by chance that I was doing copywriting, I was doing article writing for adults, I was writing for adults. I was also very interested in education. I trained as an English teacher. And then I just started writing for children, and there is something, sometimes you do something and it feels so right. So I really don't know how to tell you rationally why I like it. It is just the feeling that this is what I enjoy, this is what I'm meant to do. So,
which is your favorite author?
Okay, for children, I like Anushka Ravishankar very much. She's an Indian author. There are a lot of old-fashioned authors who I like. Maketh, Morris Gleesman, Elizabeth Laird. These are all some of my favorite authors for children.
So, what's your favorite part of being a writer?
The favorite part of being a writer is every morning. Now I write a lot on my laptop, but I also write by hand. Every morning when I sit at my laptop or at my desk, there's just a feeling of excitement because you don't know. Of course, there are days when I say, oh my gosh, the story is just not moving. But very often there's a feeling of excitement. There's something new which is going to happen. And you don't know what is going to happen. So that is the favorite part of it.
So lastly, what words of wisdom would you like to share with the students?
I would like to tell the children that use every opportunity you can, especially to read. This is the time in school when you have the time, you have the access. Make the best use of it. Read widely, read for pleasure. And if you can put down your thoughts in writing, that's also a good skill.